Before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and help us grow and share with your friends. Now let's get into it. Power outages can strike without warning, disrupting daily routines and leaving homes and businesses in the dark. Whether caused by severe weather, equipment failures, or unexpected accidents, these sudden grid failures highlight how dependent we are on a reliable supply of electricity. Being caught unprepared can lead to inconvenience, safety risks, and even financial losses. That's why it's essential to understand the unpredictability of power outages and take steps to ensure you're ready when the lights go out. D-Vault Prepping is dedicated to helping individuals and families prepare for unexpected situations with confidence. In this video, we'll explore practical and budget-friendly methods to keep your home powered during outages. Our focus is on strategies that are both effective and accessible, ensuring you can maintain essential functions without breaking the bank. Whether you're new to prepping or looking to enhance your current setup, these tips are designed to make power loss less stressful and more manageable. When the power grid fails, the effects are felt almost instantly. Refrigerators and freezers stop working, leading to rapid food spoilage and potential shortages. Communication networks, which rely heavily on electricity, can become unreliable or go down entirely, making it difficult to reach emergency services or loved ones. The situation highlights the vulnerability of relying on a single, centralized power source. Without backup systems, daily life can be disrupted in ways that impact health, safety, and access to critical information. Layered power is the cornerstone of true preparedness. Rather than relying on a single source or solution, this approach involves building multiple tiers of backup and support. Each layer is designed to compensate for the weaknesses of the others, creating a resilient system that can adapt to unexpected challenges. By integrating various forms of power and contingency plans, layered power ensures that you're not left vulnerable when circumstances change. This method provides a robust foundation for maintaining stability in any situation. Tier 1, known as immediate backup, focuses on the essentials needed to get through the first 24 hours of an emergency. This includes reliable battery banks to keep your devices charged, flashlights to provide light during power outages, and emergency radios to stay informed about important updates. These items are compact and easy to access, ensuring you have critical resources at hand when you need them most. By preparing these basics, you can address immediate needs and maintain communication until further help or resources become available. You can also find links in the description that you can use to acquire recommended products. And remember to leave us comments to let us know what you think of this video. In Tier 2, the emphasis shifts to short-term survival, specifically ensuring that essential devices and appliances remain operational for up to 3 days. Solar generators and backup power systems play a crucial role in this scenario, providing reliable energy when the main power grid is unavailable. These systems are designed to support critical needs such as refrigeration, lighting, and communication devices. By having a well-planned backup solution, households can maintain safety, comfort, and connectivity during unexpected outages. Tier 3 focuses on achieving long-term independence through advanced off-grid solutions. At this level, solar panels become the primary source of energy, harnessing sunlight to power daily needs. Paired with robust battery storage, excess energy can be saved for use during nighttime or cloudy days, ensuring a reliable supply. Efficient systems, such as energy-saving appliances and smart management tools, further optimize resource use. Together, these components create a sustainable lifestyle that minimizes reliance on external utilities. Begin by identifying the essential devices and appliances you want your system to support, such as lights, refrigerators, or communication equipment. Next, calculate the total power requirements by checking the wattage of each device and estimating how many hours per day they will operate. With this information, you can select the appropriate components, including batteries, inverters, and solar panels, to meet your energy needs. Assemble your system according to the manufacturer's guidelines, ensuring all connections are secure and safe. Finally, consider adding redundancy, such as extra batteries or a backup generator, to maintain power during unexpected outages or periods of high demand. Selecting dependable gear is essential for building a reliable backup power system. Look for reputable brands known for their durability and safety features, such as pure sine wave inverters, lithium iron phosphate batteries, and efficient solar panels. To help you get started, we've gathered a list of curated resources featuring trusted equipment and step-by-step guides. These resources are designed to simplify your research and ensure you invest in products that meet your specific needs. With the right tools and information, you can confidently set up a backup power solution tailored to your home or workspace. It's important to be aware of several common mistakes when planning your energy systems. Undersizing your setup can lead to frequent power shortages and unreliable performance. Failing to establish a clear recharge plan may leave you without power when you need it most. Relying too heavily on fuel-based solutions can be risky, especially if fuel becomes scarce or inaccessible. Additionally, neglecting to test your equipment before use can result in unexpected failures at critical moments. In the end, true preparedness is about having control over uncertain situations and being ready for whatever may come. It is the careful planning and foresight that shape how we respond when faced with a crisis. Preparation is not just a precaution. It is the decisive factor that influences outcomes. By prioritizing readiness, we ensure that we are equipped to handle challenges effectively and confidently.
Prepared, not panicked. This is Default Prepping. Real-world gear recommendations, real-world strategies. Because when it happens, you're either ready or you're not. Semper Paratus, always ready.